This is just a quick little video to show how long it actually takes to put the dishes away. A lot of us tend to just live out of the dish rack or the dishwasher instead of putting it away. And I do like the look of a clear counter and a fresh dish rack for when I have to do my next round of dishes. It will also encourage me to clean those dishes that are already in the sink as I go instead of letting them pile up, because it'll be easy to just put them in the rack. So let's see how long this actually takes me. If you stay till the end, I've included a clip of my cat Misty, because one of our viewers, Terry, loves seeing Misty, and she noticed that Misty has a ring around the end of her tail, so I tried to film that. Enjoy! Oh, and in case you're wondering, I had just gotten up in this video. It's Monday morning. I'm getting my son up for school. I had just gotten the trash and recycling to the road for garbage pickup today, and I decided that I would tackle these dishes so I have a clean slate for the day. Hadn't even started coffee yet. I'll put away. Only took around 4 or 5 minutes. And my son has added new dishes to the sink before he left for school. Woohoo! Never-ending dishes. They never end, do they? Anyway, that's just a quick little task video. See you later. And just for funsies, look at that. I got the few dishes that my son put in the sink done. Those are just the cat dishes waiting for later. And I've got coffee going. Hope you guys have a great day. Hi. Show Terry your pretty little ringtail. Stay still. Stay still. She does not stay still. Oh, Terry is one of our viewers and she loves you. We're going to show her your silly little tail. That's so cute, Misty. Look at that cute little tail. Say hi. Hi. You're going to poke your white nose in there and then we're going to have a blurry camera. Yeah. A blurry camera. Hi. You keep eating this morning. You need to stop eating so much, okay? You like eating? You eat too much food? Look at that big belly. Big old belly.